Your subject is powerful. Your message is clear. But the space behind it, that's your canvas. Let's turn that empty space into an intentional world. This is how to build your foundation in CapCut PC. From simple color changes to advanced effects. Open CapCut and then add text to the timeline. Stretch this text to the 5 seconds mark. Remove the default text from the text box and press the spacebar on your keyboard, then increase the font size to maximum. Afterwards, drop down the Video Basic menu and check the background and change its color. Now duplicate this text and change its color to dark pink. Create compound clips of both the texts. Select the duplicated text and head over to the Mask tab and add a rectangle mask. Set the feather to maximum, and your custom background is ready. Apply different masks and play with feather and see what you have got. By this process, you can make different backgrounds for your videos. Select both the texts and create a compound clip again. Then go to the Filters tab and search for the clear filter. Drag and drop it onto the clip. It will increase the intensity of your background. Head over to the Effects tab and search for the Play Pendulum effect. Drag and drop it onto the timeline. Stretch it like this. And there you have it. Play with the sliders and get results of your will. If you want to change the colors of the background, then head over to the Adjust tab and adjust the sliders as you want. I'm going to adjust sliders like this, and you can see the changes appear on screen. When you are satisfied with basic color adjustments, then move towards the curves. Let's play with all the Loomis. There is one more way to create custom backgrounds. Let's discover it. Head over to the libraries and type YT backgrounds in the search menu. Choose the background you like and add it to the timeline. Make a freeze frame of it and delete the unwanted parts. Stretch this frame a bit. Play with Luma again. After this, add Clear 2 filter to it. For a more engaging look, go to the Adjust tab and play with sliders. Now select Filter and Freeze Frame, then create a compound clip.